Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Do you know that you can leverage AI tools in the affiliate marketing to be more productive? In this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 AI tools that you can be using at this time and ensure that your affiliate marketing is more productive. As the AI is advancing, we need to ensure that we leverage with different artificial intelligence tools with our skills to ensure that we can be more productive. This will help us to be more doing more tasks at the same time, and also will be able to help us with the automation process. Without wasting time, let's get started. So before we get started, remember to subscribe to this video, to this channel, Normax TV. Like this video, share it to our friends, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Normax TV. Now we can see I'm using my computer. What I'm gonna do is to search for these two. The first thing is to be searching for Jasper AI. So you use Jasper AI for copywriting content, and also if you come and click on Jasper, this is the one which you open here. What you're gonna be doing is to open this Jasper AI, and it's gonna be opening this platform. You can see Jasper AI. So after clicking on it, what is gonna be blinking for me is the platform. I have to click on it and open. So after opening these two, you can see you can log in with a free trial, or you can be getting started. However, I'm gonna be logging with a free trial. If you want to check it out the prices, you can be coming here and open it. For instance, in YouTube, you can be able to get the prices. But let me now try to log in, and also after logging in, you can be checking what I'm gonna be getting on my my dashboard on Jasper AI. So after getting this one on my dashboard on the Jasper, you can see I can be able to do different stuff. I can be able to write long form content that provides value. You can see I can be able to boost my SEO by upgrading. I can be able to use the LinkedIn posts. I can be able to generate an image. You can see I can be able to translate the content to landing pages, multi-channel reach, and also you can be able to see I can be able to use different. You can see we have a free trial for 59 USD per seat per month, and you can be come in and check the free trial here if you want to be using it. So what I can now do, for instance, let's say I need to be creating a blog, and if I come here and click on this one, use blog posts, I'm gonna be it is gonna be directing me to the blog post section, and I can be able to select the title I want to be naming my project. So here, that is the one I is saying, and also you can see they now telling me every step that I have to pass through, and there's 5 out of 5 move, and so this the last step. Then I have to type the type of my project, affiliate marketing, that is an example. Then after typing an example, my goal is to generate my goal, let's say to generate the more winning affiliate marketing contents, affiliate marketing content. And also this is the Jasper key settings. I have to select which brand voice you need. So I can create a brand voice. If you need any brand voice, can be, let's say, any one or private for me. And also which one do you want to use? Blogs, let's say email notifications, advertisers, wherever. You're gonna be selecting the one. You're gonna be website, each and others. They are 3 up to 8. Now you have to select others, social advertisement. Now I have to select the Piero gums. Now also you have to add the tags if you need another tags. So let's say YouTube shorts as well, and shorts, affiliate marketing. So now you can see I have how many. Now I can be able to add, for instance, e-commerce, shopping. So now once I'm done with 8, they're gonna be give me another thing, like I have maybe able to do 8 as appear not added, and 8 of white is complete. Now what I'm gonna do is, let's check if I can be able to proceed with adding my name, my project. So then I have to click next. So after clicking next, you can see they are also past the blog, through the email, and the other things you have to add here, and also generative voice if you want to be generating the voice. And also this is going to be working as you close to this content. However, you can be able to use it for generating your own content, and if you don't need it, this one, you're going to be also brainstorming user charts, which I need. Maybe I need the blog posts about affiliate marketing success strategies. Okay, this is the one. Now I send to Jasper AI, and also after setting to Jasper chat, it's gonna be providing me some guides, and also you can see it is crafting blog post on the success strategy. Now you have to wait in a while, and also review project goal. It is gonna be reviewing the project goal. Once it's done reviewing the project goal, it is now logical heading hierarchy strategy keywords conventional. You can see now I got already the blog post that I can be able to use, and you can be able to expand and see, or you can see view review the SEO for sustainable traffic, and you can be able to come and also here once you wanted it, can be able to now let me try, for instance, expand this one. This is gonna be readable in this way, and you can copy this one blog post, and I can be able to paste on my site and everywhere I need to use it, as they were also asking me to use it through there. So this is the first way you can be using it for copywriting, and the second through that can be helping you for affiliate marketing gloss is also using Writesonic. This will be helping you to write the SEO forecast the content. Let me go on my browser and also as well open for or search for Writesonic. After clicking Writesonic, it's gonna be opening, and after opening it is gonna be giving the platforms Writesonic.com. I have to click on it, and also have to sign in if you want to get it started. These are the pricings, but I have to sign in of course, because they even have a free trial where you have to get it started for free without even needing to be adding the specific code. And also here they are asking you to be start adding your domain name, website URL you want to be optimizing. For instance, let's say I need to be optimizing techieservice.com. What I need to do, I need to come and click here. So after clicking on this one, I have to set the URL for the website I need to be of course optimizing. I come to this one, so I add it. It is gonna be, but here it is starting with www. Now this domain, or maybe it's something else, exactly URL. So now I have to come project name, which project name, my site. So let me come here and start for what do you need, do you want to improve first? AI search, tracking, GEO track and improve where AI platforms mention your brand, or SEO and content optimization. You have to select the one you need, and also after you are done this one, you can be clicking continue. So after clicking continue, you can see it is now going to be proceeding with analyzing your site. So here's the keyword number 1, your website. Now you can see it is now organizing or analyzing whichever existing on your website. Now if you have your affiliate marketing website in which you use to do the affiliate marketing, of course that means you need to be first analyzing your SEO status to be able to understand whether your site is now performing well or not, and so you can be able to understand the specific weaknesses that are existing on your website. So now it is extracting the information from my website. So after that, you can be able to see them here, and also once you're going to be able to see them here, you can be deciding to whichever you can be able to proceed. As you can see now, this is website seems to be new, and it is providing this information, the tools, the topic that are there. Now you can see the creator, SEO optimization tools. The top 10 are this one. You can even be able to have also add this one if you need, if you're not in a free trial. But so what I'm gonna do after now getting to my sites, you can see site audit. You can be auditing your site as well. Also, you can be able to check your content. You can be able to optimize. So now you can optimize the existing tools. Let me continue with the complete SEO audit. The other pages, now you can see it is going to be bringing me more information. As you can see, now you can be able to optimize your site. You can be able to perform everything you need by doing or by using this Writisonic.com content. So now the next AI tool that you can be using to guide you in your affiliate marketing journey is to use ChatGPT. So you use ChatGPT for brainstorming. For instance, if you go to ChatGPT and say, what are the affiliate marketing, let's say, what are the best, so what are the best, okay, selling products online now, maybe books, phones, which one will you sell now? I have to click on it, and after sending it is going to be, of course, providing me the response. Let's say, for instance, it's charging iPhone 16. So the Apple iPhone 16, this is the first number one at this time. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max is also this is the fastest growing demand. And if you are, of course, doing an affiliate marketing, of course, you can be coming and search for the specific product you have to be including, and this is the one you have to be making the content on. And also after making the content too, you can be going on your website and be able to write the specific content about this iPhone 17 Pro Max. And after you have done writing the content, it's going to be also booming, because this is the one which is selling, and the people across over and who come online to search for these two, they are coming to search and highlight the iPhone 17 Pro Max as well, because it's the fastest growing. Maybe Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, because this is the fastest one growing. Let's, for instance, copy this Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and come back to our Jasper AI, and we need to be also, I need content about this one, content about this one, this one, as I am doing affiliate marketing about it. So now let's say it is going to be generating the content about this iPhone that I'm gonna be, of course, this is creating a blog post for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Is going to be bringing me the blog post about this phone category or phone type that I provided to it. As you can see, I have to wait for this post to get generated, and also after getting this one, you can see it is next level camera on match the point performance, also how it compared to previous models. You can see is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra worth your money. So you can see it is going to be providing more detailed information about it, so that the people even can come to read these blog posts and get interested in buying this kind of or type of phone, which is also trending. The last tool that I have prepared for you today is also Hostinger AI. The Hostinger AI is another tool that can be helping you. As now you are doing this, of course, you're writing the content, and you need, of course, to be ensuring that you host them over the specific website to ensure that you can be able to sell, you can be able to attract the customers, and also the people who are visiting your affiliate marketing process can be coming to the website and be able to purchase through there. So what I need to do is to come to hostinger.com, and I click on Hostinger. It's going to be providing me with this platform. As you know, Hostinger is also the website builder and also hosting sellers. What you can come is to come to this platform, and once you can you come to this platform, you will be able to see the services they provide. Here it is, there is a website builder, which is also for Hostinger AI. Once you click on this one, you can get started for free and also be able to start building your own website. Here you can be able to launch your idea today, and also you can be able to launch your affiliate marketing website. It is very easy and there is no credit card needed. And also once you click on start for free, you are required to be now registering for your account, and once you are registered, you can get started with creating your own website for free on Hostinger platform as well. You can use Hostinger AI. You don't need any coding skills, you don't need any other complexities which can be required to build an affiliate marketing website. What you need to do is to be able to demonstrate your own website, to be able to demonstrate the kind of website you need, and Hostinger AI will help you to build the website in a second. So as if you can see, we have those 4 tools, and if you combine them, you can be able to have your own affiliate marketing website for free, and also you can be able to brainstorm the ideas for free. You can be able to write the SEO of content for free. Then you can be able to promote, of course, your content by and also you can be able to use affiliate marketing support AI tools to support your affiliate marketing journey. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video. If you have any question or suggestion, also share in the comment section, and also remember to subscribe to our CV so that you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV.